He's so cute! Watch this. Ta-da!
Whoa! You made Olaf just like in the movie.
Hi, everyone. I'm Olaf.
Hi there! Welcome to Frozen. Discover your nature where we create, explore, and learn. I'm Malia, and it's winter!
No, Sven. I didn't get your carrots.
Winter is a time of hibernation for many plants and animals. But there's always beautiful things to see in nature during this season, like snow. So in today's video, to celebrate the winter season, we'll be doing everyone's favorite winter activity. Can you guess what it is? I'll give you a hint. It involves snow.
Building snowman!
Morgan, you scared me.
I'm sorry, Malia. I got a little too excited there. Hi, everybody. I'm Morgan.
To celebrate the winter season, we'll be building Olaf. Well, not Olaf, because we don't have magical powers like Elsa. We'll be building snowmen.
You know, winter is my favorite season. I love that it's cold. I can put on a soft sweater, hat, and scarf. Or snuggle up in a warm blanket during the season.
Ooh, I need to add some hot chocolate to that. Whenever I think about winter, I remember when the Frozen crew were all hanging out together, playing by the fireplace.
Monster.
Brown bear.
Angry face.
Black bear. Hans.
That scene reminds me of what winter is all about. Celebrating and having fun with family and friends.
Indeed. And the season is also about snow. And building snowman is a winter tradition. But of course, it doesn't snow everywhere in the world. So building a traditional snowman isn't always possible.
Which is where Morgan and I come in. We'll be showing you how to make homemade snow so that we can all make our own unique snowmen.
To make homemade snow, all you'll need is conditioner and baking soda. And of course, a little help from a parent or guardian.
Now that we can all make snowmen this winter, let's get to it.
First, you'll need baking soda. Do 1 scoop and then pour it in.
Then you want to grab your hair conditioner.
And then mix.
Add more hair conditioner if needed. Making snow reminds me of Frozen. Remember when Kristoff was getting all that ice?
This feels so cool.
Yeah, it looks just like snow. I can barely tell the difference.
I know, right? We just have to make sure not to eat this, because this isn't ice.
Yellow and snow? No go.
Well, Malia and I are gonna step away for a bit, and when we come back, we have a little surprise for you.
So Morgan, I mean Elsa, do you want to build a snowman? Let's do this with our gloves on.
That's a good idea.
First, I'm gonna start off with his bottom half.
Me too.
He's gonna be pretty small.
Hey, Malia, do you know how real snow is made?
No, I don't. How is it made?
Well, real snow develops when water vapor freezes and falls to the ground.
Oh, that's so cool.
No. Snow. Yes, snow.
Are you all right?
No.
And now we're gonna do his upper half.
Now I'm gonna start adding some accessories to this
Oh.
to make it look like a real snowman.
He's so cute.
Watch this. Ta-da!
Whoa, you made Olaf just like in the movie.
Hi, everyone. I'm Olaf.
Well, not Olaf, but a pretty good snowman.
This was really fun.
Yeah, it was. We did a great job.
Yeah, I love it so much.
Here comes Elsa.
Here comes Anna.
Last but not least, Olaf.
I cover mine in snow so that it stays, and it looks like it's growing out of the snow.
Perfect.
This was really fun, Morgan. First, we made our snow. Then we built our snowmen.
I think Elsa would be very proud of how we made the most of the environment we're in. Wait, I'm Elsa. Great job, me.
I actually have a surprise for you, Morgan. Dad!
Whoa. Oh, Malia. Thank you, Malia's dad. Chocolate. I love this. You're the best. Thank you.
You're welcome. Well, that's all the time we have today. Thank you so much for celebrating the winter season and building snowmen with us.
We're about to embark on a new cozy adventure.
And don't forget, nature is yours to discover. I'm Leah.
And I'm Morgan.
Until next time, bye!